Open your ears up real wide.
Should I cup them like this? All this in or no?
Yeah.
Thank goodness, because I already poured it all in there.
Don't rock the boat, baby. Don't tip the boat over.
I played Ultimate Frisbee a few times, and I won every time. Out of time.
Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. No, this is the most bogus experiment.
No.
I must have missed something.
In the meantime, let's do our potato trivia. Which of the following is not a potato variety?
What unique way did the Incas use the potato? Cheers. Hi friends, welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. I'm Sharlene.
And I'm Joe. We had to make this episode. This is the episode on the ultimate twice, not once, twice baked potato. We had to make this recipe because it has over 3,600 reviews and is highly rated. Sharlene, take it away. What do we need?
Got 3 spoons, knife, cutting board, sour cream, shredded cheddar cheese,
Yes.
some chopped green onions, and it's twice baked. So I've already baked these potatoes for about an hour, 20 minutes. So they're ready to go for this. And I've crisped up some turkey bacon. You can use regular bacon, of course. Melted butter, and we have some salt and pepper and some milk. I need you to cut this in half, each potato in half.
And last but not least, 4.
Now, what we're gonna be doing is, and listen to these instructions very carefully. Open your ears up real wide.
Should I cup them like this?
All right,
Got my satellite dishes up.
okay. So now what we're gonna be doing is, we'll each have a spoon. Can you guess what you think we're gonna do?
We're gonna eat the inside of the potato out.
Wrong, and wrong. So we're gonna scoop out, but when we scoop it, we're not gonna scoop all the way to the skins. We're gonna leave a little bit. And the reason why we're doing that is because I read the reviews, the many reviews that were on there, and there was one that was very good because it had a tip. You don't want the skins to get all like,
Wrinkly.
not wrinkly, like they don't really hold their shape when you take out
Shriveled.
too much of the filling.
Shriveled up.
Shriveled like a raisin.
Got the job done.
So we're gonna set this aside so that we can do some mixing. I'm going to add in the milk,
Almond milk,
the butter,
melted butter,
salt and pepper, half of the green onions.
half of the green onions.
Echo, echo, echo.
Echo, 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 echo.
Half of the shredded cheese.
All of the shredded cheese.
Half of
All of the shredded cheese.
half.
All of it.
That's not an echo.
You should probably listen to your echo. If your echo is saying something different, that's a sign. Put all this in or no?
Yeah.
Thank goodness, because I already poured it all in there. Twice baked potato walked into the bar,
It's not that kind of show.
and the bartender said, "We don't serve food here."
Well, we got a mixer and we've got a bowl of stuff. So I think we need to start mixing. It's time to fill these up.
Fill the boats. Don't rock the boat.
Don't rock the boat, baby. Don't tip the boat over. That's a song from my dad. He loves the oldies.
I played Ultimate Frisbee a few times,
And
and I won every time. Time to put the potatoes on here.
next step is we are going to be putting our bacon, green onions, and cheese.
Why did you do that? Charlene tipped my boat over.
So I'm just gonna put a few onions because I don't want that much in there.
The truth is, she put too much bacon and she can't fit it.
I might be slightly correct. Time to bake it, 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Then it's game time. Just kidding, it's activity time.
Oh, no game?
Kind of a game.
We gotta stick the straw through the potato.
Right, exactly.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Come on, do it.
And then what?
Do it. You have 30 seconds
Ready?
to get this through the potato.
Done.
All the way through, and it's too late.
No, it's not too
It
late.
is too late.
I'm gonna try again.
It's-
Ready?
Too late.
Alright.
Charlene's turn. Try-
Time's ticking. You're almost out of time.
Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. So it was supposed to go all the way through. Maybe we'll use this straw. All right. I saw this activity on the internet, and the internet apparently has been lying to me
Why?
on this episode.
You just gotta do it. Oh!
Nope. See, it does need to be cut. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna cut it.
She got close.
So there's a science behind it apparently. If you put
Plug the end
plug the end,
with your thumb.
hold very tightly to your straw and
Whack it.
whack it.
Make
And
sure your hand's out of the
also
way.
choose the end that is slimmest. You should be able to do
Charlene
it.
was cheating.
So now, can we do it?
Who's timing me?
Ready, go!
Your straws keep blowing out. Now here's a straw.
We've upgraded.
Ready, set.
And that, my friends, is how you put a straw through a potato.
If that was Mr. Potato Head, he would be hurting.
Ouch.
But here's the trick. You're supposed to do with your friends. They would, if they don't know to put your finger on the top, then they can keep on trying and it's not gonna work. And also the trick to put it on the end where it's a little bit thinner.
What if they have a metal straw?
Then they would definitely make it work. All right, second activity from the interwebs.
Interweb.
Internet. Just wanted to say it all weird.
Who-
First, we are going to start with this small little thing here. We're gonna put it right, not inside, just on the edge of the bottle. Joe is gonna now use the straw to blow it inside of the bottle. That wasn't supposed to happen.
Why?
Apparently, the science
You
says
try it.
the science says that it doesn't go in. So the bottle is apparently supposed to be filled up with air, which we obviously can't see. And because
I can see there.
when you blow into it, it's not supposed to go in. But it did go in, so somebody's lying again.
2 for 2. 3 for 3.
So this is real life on the Shar and Joe Show, and this activity was a fail.
Flop.
Fail.
Flopper.
Fail. Well, I think our potatoes are ready. Let's go grab them.
So we pulled these out of the oven and they are twice baked and very hot. So we're gonna let them cool a little bit. And in the meantime, let's do our potato trivia. Which of the following is not a potato variety? A, purple passion. B, Russian banana. C, red elephant.
My answer is A.
You guys think she's right? No. So if you picked C, you were right. Red elephant is not a potato variety.
Wow.
It's a variety of carrots.
Oh, that was tricky. Are you ready for your question?
Especially after you got yours wrong.
What unique way did the Incas use the potato? A, as medicine. B, as sport. or C, to measure time?
I mean, they probably used it all those ways is my guess, but unique would probably be C.
And you would be correct. These potatoes are calling my name.
Sharlene.
And I'm ready to eat.
Joe. Eat me. All right.
I'm grabbing it. I don't care.
I want that one.
That one looks really good, and I took it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's do it again.
Cheers.
Let's do it again.
Cheers. Stop.
Cheers. I mean, I'm not a big fan of real starchy food, but this is not, it's not your typical potato. This is the ultimate potato.
So we got a nice tartness with the sour cream.
Yeah, the sour cream really sets it apart.
Yeah. The butter adds that creaminess, crunchiness with the bacon, that sharp cheddar cheese. This is a winner, guys.
I'd say out of the things we've made this season, this is up there in the top couple.
This might be number one for me.
Might be number one. I'd have to think real hard on what we all made, but yeah, the flavors are there, spot on.
This is kind of sad. This is our final episode of our date night
For
series.
this season. For this season.
For this season.
It's not goodbye forever.
Yes, the final episode of this season, which was the date night series. We did some cooking. I think we had a good time. I hope you guys will have a good time trying out these activities, games, recipes. And next season, we have some exciting things planned. We're switching things up.
But if you guys do try out any of these recipes, do let us know how they turned out.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share our videos with friends, and of course, like Joe said, leave those comments because I love reading comments on our videos.
Check the links. Recipes are always down below. Till next time.
Till next time, one more cheers for our last episode of the season.
Get a good one.
All right, nice big one. Whoa, okay, now you make me feel bad. I'm gonna get a real... Your spoon might not even... Cheers! Let me
Look
see you.
me in the eyes.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Let me see you eat that
Cheers,
whole
guys.
thing.
Just kidding. Not that I couldn't do it. All right, you guys can leave. We're gonna enjoy this.
Bye, guys.